Yes, at them suck me ya. Make me dark up a bumbo clad place, you know. You see them suck me ya. Me never hear it, you know. Me just want to hear where I go reply and say. 6 months ago, where never go with them tiny yeah. Boy, na di me go na di. Yeah, the Astella. Where never go with them. Hey, but dog, yo, dog.
So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People are going. Boy, I tell you, people look at me, I like, share, and subscribe. You know what I try to say? Yeah, man, do it, man. Click the like button fast. You see what I try to say? Yeah, people, I just watched a video a while ago. So Vybz Kartel and friends perform over BVI, you know, British Virgin Islands. People, this not look good at all. And you know the Gaza fans are gonna say one bag of thing bad mind and this other thing. You see, you know, I realize people not like hear facts, like they not like telling. You see what I try to say? Because looking at this, no, Nuffy, come here. Look at these people.
Yeah, me I say no. I don't me I say look. We no fear that. No bullbuck. Go for your army. Go for your again.
What is this? At this dance I'll gone to? At this dance I'll gone to? Are some karaoke businesses are going? I can't no performance this are. Me really don't know. You understand? I really don't know people. This not even look good. This not look good at all. Like, what is this? Is this a performance or a karaoke night? I don't want to know. I really want to know what really are going on so. Because me hear song playing in the background. The bands dip on the stage. I don't understand. Wait, the bands dip on the stage for take up space or what? I want to know. Like, what is? Are this going to carry dancehall to the world? I don't want to know. This going to carry dancehall to the world? People in the comment, tell me now. At least I go carry dancehall to the world. I don't want to know. Because this is a disgrace. This not even can go commercial. So you tell me, say now, the upcoming show, Wireless, and the one in a Barclays Center, at this are going to be the performance? Eh? No, at this the people them will spend them thousands a ticket. I'm spend $1,000 for ticket. At this, them I go, want to see? I don't understand now. I don't understand all no. You understand? Because wait, no, I don't understand. Where Kartel have a team, want to get like you can't make Kartel do some vice training or some. I don't know. We know same not to could have perform, but this no look. I don't know. What happened to Nuffy? Nuffy have fits or one. And the way how Kartel up on the stage, him feel so comfortable. With this, imagine this. Imagine Kartel and Nuffy up on BET. Imagine them on Grammy I perform with this. When some of them white people are going to look on this and say, who this black guy running up and down the place like crazy? This a madness. Eh? And then now, you go on Instagram and you go in them place, say, some people are talking about performance, this is performance and this. Yo, come down now, man. Come down now. Because if you go look on this and say a performance, I don't know what else could have happened for you say, yo, this and some performance or I don't know what is a performance then. Because him not use no bands. The choice of songs, it's scatter. This over there, so you don't know, like, you don't know what this. To be honest, this not look good at all. This not look good. People, look on the video.
Set me free. Ladies in the ready. Ladies scream. What you expect me to do? Different, yeah, every day. And run down the gun, Lord, please. Shadi catch me last night. And she sing. You got up and say, cause you know you want it. No worry, car. She about kids. Sing.
Yo.
my time now. But I'm
I just watch a video a while ago. So Kartel up on the stage. But I don't know what happened. The moment the man pause him, rhythm a beat, get up. Then the man a pause, man a sing a song. The man have a mic in him hand, you know. And him attack. Remember in a sound place loud and ray. And the man attack. Me don't know like, me don't know what this. You tell me say man have mic in him hand and him attack. So you not hear nothing. It does sound like say him dumb. You understand? Like, what is what? One time when you look, no feel like, me don't know if Nuffy push the mic, give him or the man of the on stage. I don't know, people. To be honest. One time the man on the stage and the man all sit down on the stage, like, yeah, I understand, say him, you know. But, boy, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do, you know, because if I this, I'm going to go on with other shows, boy, this not going to look good at all. I tell you, it not going to look good, people. It not going to look good. You understand? It not going to look good, people. This not look good at all. I don't know what this. Better the name, karaoke show or something, BVI, because I don't know what kind of performance this or whatsoever. People, I tell you this. I don't know what kind of performance this. See? I see all. I can't go play nothing. I can play the video because, you know, I don't want to copyright and all them things. But people, I'm supposed to see Rvssian performance. I don't know where Rvssian is sing. When I tell me I wonder if it's a girl that sing or what. I say, when you use them where we come from. I say, wait, is a man a sing or what? I don't understand what really I go on. Like, what is this? I say skilly bang too, but you know say a skilly bang that. He just a sing. Really did it. You understand? Him not use bands and everything. Them you can't really use bands with him, bagger, lyrics and all of them something. Yeah, you can put him one side. But people, the main focus. I don't know if a Kartel with this. If I this no want to go out in the world, this could be a disgrace. Because this is not performance. You understand? It is not performance. Anybody will look on this and say, this is a performance? I don't know. I need to see somebody. Need to see a doctor because this is not at all. I don't know what is. I tell you, I don't know what is. You understand? I don't know what is this. You see me? So, when I see all of that, Nuffy, him up on the stage. Yo, I know Gaza fans them a beat Nuffy, you know. I not lie. People, I not lie. Nuffy forget beating, you know. Right? Gaza fans are beat him too. But the thing is that Nuffy realized the crowd, one time the crowd not really move. And at the time when he might do the thing with Javinci and every little thing, he maybe I say, yo, you know, say, John, nothing now go on and him just make some nice and make things look like, you know, people never going to one party yet. And when you know, reaching a party yet, you know, but it's like, the way DJ attack, yo, people, when you're going there, nobody in there, and the way I'm going, I saw Nuffy go on the stage. You understand? I don't know if I'm try, because, you know, I don't know if I'm a backup singer or what, because one time I hear Javinci, I do the backup singing and everything. See? So, all of that to say, I say, yo, this not make no sense. This not make no sense at all. You see me? Because you can't Kartel, this not look good. And this is the thing, people. See? Alright. People are gonna say, yo, I'm tell you, lock up man, your bad mind and your this and that and ray. And this is the thing, women are like. And this is what women are like with the Gaza fan them. Nobody not perfect. No artist not perfect. But you see, when you see a situation where there is disappointment and a failure and, you know, they make it seem like Kartel cannot do nothing wrong. Like, him feel like, say, everything him do it right. And this is the thing. When you allow something like this way, uno call performance and allow something like this, it tends to, when it reach out there into some world or on some platform and all of them little thing there, it end up look bad. You understand? It end up look bad. Remember, when I say Kartel are the king and every little thing and ray. I don't think Bunty don't perform like this. Capleton don't perform like this. Check the hell of them in the game. Right? We are older than Kartel. Check them. We know say them not perform like this. You see? And things can do better. Things can do better. We know say Kartel never a good performer, but he can get training. But because everybody this hype and this, yo, I'm to you. Man, ray, this, that. Which wanna black out all the improvement. And then when it go out there and look like trash now, wanna complain, wanna try to say, yo, other artists and whatever, we're not supposed to encourage one artist for work on him performance. You understand? Work on him performance. Him team need for work on him performance theme. To me, Da Vinci, what them for do? It better Da Vinci be a backup singer. You understand? Take off Nuffy. Seeing people? Take off Nuffy. Nuffy up on the stage. Make Nuffy be the MC for Kartel and Vybz Kartel. Then on a use. To me, if him go do something like this, him can just pay Da Vinci. Make Da Vinci tour with him on the show and make Da Vinci do the backup singing. Because Da Vinci have the vocals and everything. You understand? And remember, you know, to me, Kartel cannot manage bands. Him cannot do bands because him not really ready for that. Him can't perform like that for manage bands because it got pressure him thyroid, it got pressure him windpipe. You understand? The stopping on them something that got too much for him. But the thing is that him voice is not there. Like when him say something is like, you know. So them need for work. Them need for grow. Them need for go some performance school or them need to do some rehearsal. I don't know if him do. It seem to me him do a rehearsal for the show. I don't see that. Because some of the time the man not even remember some of the song them. And that is not a good look. You understand? It's not a good look. Imagine people. Imagine this. I don't know. When you go up on wireless. I don't know. Yo. Ah boy. But just hope say things go good enough. Because this not gonna look good at all. It no look good. I tell you it no look good at all. After a while people are gonna start the truth. You see me? People are gonna just start the truth. But this not look good at all. You see me? This don't look good. Them need to work on the man thing. Like if I sound go Barclays or go up on wireless or go in a Barclays Center in a I think a Brooklyn or whatever in a US there. This not gonna look good at all. It's not gonna look good. Cause not everybody, you understand? And not every crowd that just say you know. Yeah? But oh boy. I tell the people the Gaza fans on a need for talk to the artist. You see this bag up, prep up and you see this are the thing you know. It's only going to be a time when to critique and when to say the truth. It's gonna be too late. Because nothing wrong with the artist when him not reach a moment of performing or so. Him can get him training, but when me hear people I say, yo, great performance, this, that, I say what? At this and call performance, this is a whole karaoke series. Whole karaoke series this. You understand? Whole karaoke this not this. Me I tell you if me did a dancer headliner or if you go this not even can go commercial. I tell you this can't go commercial at all. I tell you it can't go commercial with this a performance. This a performance. This don't look good. Don't look good at all, and if this no one to represent dancehall out there in the world, it's a sad mistake. You see me, it's a sad mistake this. You understand? Sad mistake this. I tell you, sad mistake. I don't feel like say everything this a man do. You might always get the go ahead and the right and don't get no opinion and always good thing, no? So I know say it work. Cause one artist out there for represent, for just represent. We don't want to hear say, yo, you know, this now people not satisfied and all them look at thing there. You understand? And when people talk and talk about Kartel, the man always talk about hate and bad mind. I say, yo, who no make things look away for artists, you know? Who no? Because who no like to speak the truth. Who does speak off a sheep mode or speak off a ego. You understand? Yeah, Kartel is a great artist, so can't take that from him. But when there's improvement, it have to get critique and it have to get spoken to. You understand? Things can't just go so nobody enough to say nothing. And then when it go out there in the world now, it's a big shame. You understand? Imagine that this with Nuffy Ray bam 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 in a Barclays Stadium. Tell me now. How this a go look? Imagine all another thing, imagine all the people see all this a performance and start sell back all them ticket. Or do something with them ticket. After see this a performance. Enough people are watching and people see all this a performance and I say, what this me spend $1,000, this me I go see. Nah look good. Nah look good at all, man. You see me? Nah look good. Nah look good, people. You understand? Nah look good at all. You see me? But I don't know enough people. Look here, like, share and subscribe. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know the thing go. That is it.